This is why your small business needs AI, unlocking customer insights like never before. Running a small business is no small task, and understanding your customers is key to growth. But what if you could go beyond guessing and actually know their preferences? That's where AI comes in. AI tools can analyze customer behavior, what they buy, how often they shop, and even what keeps them coming back. It transforms raw data into actionable insights, giving you a clearer picture of your customers. These insights let you create tailored experiences, whether it's personalized product recommendations, targeted discounts, or stocking up on popular items. AI helps you meet customer needs in a way they'll notice and love. By understanding what your customers value most, you can boost loyalty and increase sales. It's not just about selling more, it's about building lasting relationships. Think AI is only for big companies? Think again. Tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, and HubSpot make it easy for small businesses to leverage AI without breaking the bank. Start small and grow smart. With AI-powered customer insights, you can transform how you connect with your audience. Understand their needs, adapt to trends, and watch your business thrive. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Subscribe for more small business tips.